Alright, stick around. In this video we're going to talk about everything Broadway Plaza Walnut Creek. It's a beautiful day. Let's get it going. If you are considering a move to the East Bay Area or San Francisco, this is the channel for you. I am a local realtor here. My name is Langfield, Agent Extra. On this channel, we talk about all things Bay Area real estate, all things Bay Area community, specifically the East Bay Area and San Francisco County. So if you have questions, you want to know what something is like, you want to know what it feels like to sleep, live, eat, play here in the East Bay Area or San Francisco County, give me a call, shoot me a text. My information is below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the little notification bell. It helps us grow. It helps get the word out and helps prevent against the misinformation that is out there against the East Bay Area. Let's get into it. Today we are in Walnut Creek Plaza, downtown Walnut Creek, one of the most popular areas in the East Bay Area. We're going to do a walkthrough and let you know what it's like to experience downtown Walnut Creek. Over the last, I'd say 5 or 6 years, they've completely changed and built out downtown Walnut Creek. It was already a really popular destination, but they've completely changed the parking. They've added a whole bunch of stores. You have your normal department stores like Nordstrom and Macy's as we approach Nordstrom here. Your restaurants, chain restaurants like P.F. Chang's and California Pizza Kitchen, but they've added so much. So because of the pandemic, they've added a whole bunch of outdoor dining to almost every restaurant and bar around here. Walnut Creek is still going strong. A lot of people out here, enjoying the great outdoors. We approach the kind of central hub of Broadway Plaza. This store always gets me. Amazon books. Didn't get an Amazon start as a bookstore, but now it rules the world. So here in Central Plaza, you got a lot of your department stores: Alameda, J. Crew, Ray-Ban, Zara, Banana Republic. And then as you go down Main Street and Broadway Plaza, you get a lot of the specialty stores and luxury boutique stores and all the shops and restaurants and bars that's specific to downtown Walnut Creek. This is more central inside Broadway Plaza. This is some of the part they completely revamped, changed, added onto. As you see here again, we're beginning of fall day, a little slightly overcast, and still a lot of people out here. H&M, one of my favorite stores. Get a lot of my clothes there. I'm built kind of funny, tall and lanky, long arms. H&M is one of the only stores that fits me, where I don't have to get some stuff tailored. We're walking now more towards the more central, popular part of Broadway Plaza, which is Main Street. Gives you the Disneyland feel. You know you're in Walnut Creek and downtown Plaza when you get to Main Street. You'll see the Tiffany's on the corner, and one of my favorite spots in Walnut Creek. We'll get into that a little bit later. Stay tuned. As we cruise down Main Street, one of the best tapas restaurant and Spanish restaurants in the East Bay. This is really the heart of Walnut Creek. You have North Main Street and South Main Street. All your shops, restaurants, bars, dining, cafes, everything is here on Main Street. One of my favorite local bistros. They get all their stuff locally. You guys need good bistro burger or beer. Main Street Kitchen and Bar is the place to go. Corner of Cypress and Main, little Mel's Diner. Looking for some putt-putts in Walnut Creek, Cypress and Main Street. Shelf down here in downtown Walnut Creek Tellus. Going to be opening in approximately 2 to 3 weeks, so come check it out. Going to be one of the new hot spots. You guys love Mediterranean food like I do. One of the best places to be. Downtown Walnut Creek is still booming because a lot of the restaurants still had outdoor seating. So really nothing has changed during the pandemic. But you see here, some of the restaurants that didn't have outdoor dining or seating, they've made room for. One of the best barbershops in Walnut Creek. I haven't had a good haircut in about 8 months now. They're now open for business. The Arts District of Walnut Creek. Locust Street. I'm going to be approaching one of the best Japanese restaurants. I love sushi. That is one of my go-to spots here in Walnut Creek. To make our way down Locust, Lamont for the corporate lunch crowd. Amazing chicken, great lunches. As we make our way back towards Main Street, Sauced is a good place for all your burgers and beers. Barbecue is amazing here, the different sauces. Oh, so hungry. Locust and Cypress Street. Some great Thai food over at the Thai kitchen. You'll notice that everybody is making an adjustment to outdoor dining. If they haven't already, check out this charming, cute little alleyway to the left here for the Thai kitchen. I love it. So glad seeing a lot of these businesses make the adjustment during the pandemic if they didn't already have outdoor dining. Alright, as we make our way back towards Main Street and Central Broadway Plaza, we're coming up on my favorite spot. I told you, wait till the end, you'll see my favorite spot. And here it is, the rooftop. One of the best spots in Walnut Creek. Rooftop dining, rooftop lounge and bar. It's an amazing atmosphere. Even with the pandemic, they just opened up. Check it out, guys, if you're in downtown Walnut Creek. That's going to do it for today's walking tour of Walnut Creek Broadway Plaza. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bells. We're dropping weekly content for all things Bay Area real estate, East Bay Area, and San Francisco specific. If you're thinking of moving here, don't forget to call or text me. I am your resource here in the Bay Area. My name is Derek Langfield, Agent Extra. That's going to do it. Have a great day.